guys, welcome back to my channel. So today Maxie, no I'm kidding, Maxie's not gonna do nothing, right Max? Smell? She's like, I smell some shrimp and some chicken. That's what I had for lunch, huh Maxie? Yeah. Anyways guys, so someone, a subscriber of mine asked me to talk to them about desert roses. I'll tell you up front right now, I don't know anything really about them. I just know that they do like the heat. So yeah, I just have them there. I'll show you what I have, but I do know a fellow YouTuber that knows lots about desert roses, and actually she has a nursery full of desert roses. Her name is Maria's Garden. I will put her YouTube name right here. And I'll also include her link down below for you guys to go ask her questions. She loves for you guys to ask her questions. She says she'll answer anything that you guys need to know. And that's it guys. So let me go show you my desert roses. Like it's gonna rain here, so let's try to make this quick. So here are my 3 desert roses. I got this little one first, and then I wanted more. So my mother-in-law got me 2 more. What's it called? They don't like to be overwatered, so I don't water these at all. They only get water when it rains. That's the only time. And so sometimes they'll get some days straight of water, but I'm not going to be moving these things around. So they do get mealybugs. So you do have to look out for that. I've had them get sick on me too, so I've had to spray them with stuff. See? That's mealybug right there. See? I have to come every now and then and inspect them. What is it called? Yeah, see? They need to be treated. There's several mealybugs here. And you'll be able to tell that they have mealybugs because their flowers won't look right. The plant just itself will start looking a little unhealthy. I did expose the trunk. The roots, I mean. You can expose the root. Normally, when I got this one, it was in a deep pot. So what it is, I took it out, and the thick roots, I exposed them, and I put them in a smaller pot. They don't mind being in a smaller pot because it's kind of like a bonsai tree. So yeah, I mean, I don't know much about them. I really don't do a lot. I don't even, like I said, I don't water it. I let nature take its course. The only thing I do is look for bugs. And you know what? This is infected with bugs. Look at that. And I'm glad that Joyce asked me this question, because now I'm looking at my plant and I'm seeing like, yeah, I really need to treat this. So yep, this one is sick with mealybugs. Let's see if this one has mealybugs. This one was sick at 1.2, really bad. So I had to treat her with I don't know, just any spray that I can find. So there's not much, like I said, I really don't know about this, so I can't give you any advice. So I'm gonna suggest though Maria's Gardens YouTube channel, and she is a sweet lady, and she's willing to answer any question that she knows the answer to. Okay guys, so thank you so much Joyce for asking this question. You guys have a blessed day. Bye guys.